we're going to look at rolls on the note G. So we have an initial articulated G, and then 3 more separated by a cut, a strike, and another cut. So you get, initially you want them to be evenly spaced as if there were 3 quavers, and then you can speed up. But of course the final G wants to be on the next beat. So you get, you see how that fits together? So it's really just 3 quavers, followed by the next note, the note of the next bar, but you get this speeding up. So it takes a bit of practice, and like I say, practice with the even spacing, and then you can have that kind of accelerating into the next note business. The place you would put this is anywhere really where it would make sense to go. So anywhere where you could replace what's going on with 3 of the same note. So instead of, okay, I don't know how many that was, but there are several examples that could all be replaced with. So there it is, that's a roll on a G on a low octave on a discount recorder.